Dear students, we have one concept in big data, data analytics using our FDA program. The FDA program is a big data collection system. It's a big data collection is one of data to collect the all over of data so the system is using calling for the big data collection system. The big data collection system of using collection and source, channel, sync and many more content. In this big data is using for only robotic of human nature. The big data is one collection of data or store in any one of store and capture in any one to access the data for the big data. So one of data channels of one channel to another channel to give the sensor models or sources executive models of cloud basis on the big data servers. Okay, one by one we have discussed in the big data system collection system. The big data collection is a collection system allows collecting the database in the data servers or data sets. The data sets of one data to more than data is one of data sets. The data sources is one of where is the data to collect them is one of collect that the data. It's a calling for only data sets. The data set is in the moving data from various data sets. The data is collection to more or less moving the another data to collect the data from the another sources. Then flowing architecture is one of flowing architecture is there are five concepts. The five concept is line by one. Sources, channel, sync, and agent event. It's a basic of things in one data. Sources is receive the codes for data set. That's one of example for if any have interest in the volleyball, football, or any have need a suggestion for yours to send the poll of through the WhatsApp. The poll is receive the sources, receive the data to polls from data sets. So one of sources, channels. The data is transmitted to a channel. The channel is one of data to it's a data. SNS is a data. SNS transaction is a data. The data is DA department is a collection of input. The DA department is a collection of input. The input is one of the student, not nothing to one of student. So whole department is a DA department. It's a channel. Sync. Each sync to connect the data source. The sync is the DA department students to sync the SNS students. It's one of connectivity to another channel to another channel. It's a sync data sets. Then a collection of source, channels, and syncs. Collection of source. The agent is rather concept. The agent is collection the source from the DA department. Then collection the channels from the DA department, and then sync the SNS to the DA department. It's one of the agent role in the data, big data. Then event is generate the enter the source. Generate the entire source. It's a event is one event is conducting the college. Entire staffs are having full responsibility of the discipline or any other activities or any other more or less discipline committees specific staff. It's a responsibility for all the students. It's having a event management or event responsibility to the generate the entire source of the events. Then the source channel sync the sources is one of data. The source is one concept, one data. Then the sync is big data connectivity to the all the channels and syncs and sources. It's the source is the HDFS is one of another than one of concept robotic model of the HDFS. importing data from relational databases. So Apache Squid is one of architecture model in the data sets. The architecture model of the Apache Scope, the importing the data from another sources or the another department or another source in the every data sets is using for the importing data from the relational databases. The relational database is one of the model is in the SNS knowledge of this student. If any other have arresting the illegal activity to the college students or which colleges you are studying, it's a SNS college is in the database is the SNS. The student of this more or less the students using for databases. Then the database is one of a student studying here. Then more after 10 years you will come that asking your data. We will give the data to your student. Okay. Then the data collection system using tools and functions of the data. The tools of the tools and functions import all tables, create hive table, list table. The table is not using model in SQL models. The SQL model is one of data sets. Import the table from data to HDFS is using for only robotic model in the data form. Then import all table from data to all HDFS. The table to connect the structure table, unstructured table or semi-structured table. So data from store the more or less content in the information of data sets. Then create a hive table. Interact with database records. Interact with database records. It's a database record to correct the data and correct the data and correct the data. It's related to the hive table. List table is a databases. Table in database. The table in database is a SQL model. The SQL language is one of backend model. The backend is store all the data. It's a structured model is using for the table data. Okay. Okay, students. If you have doubts from yours, asking for me, I will explain all the data forms or data sets. If you have doubts, you will call me. Then I will explain. Any doubts? Okay. Thank you. Thank you. We have next topic to another classes. Thank you for